everyone. Today we're going to test this Hunan 63 pump for overseas buyer. Today is the first day of September. We were going to start this month's job in this way. And now it's 12 o'clock in the most hot time. But we test every details and show all details to the buyer. Open the boom and test the trick and also the boom. All details on our site.